it was not very difficult to start the journey in Jindivick. But to be honest, even till date, any new patient who walks in, the first comment is, "Oh my God, what a beautiful clinic." So right from waiting room, right till the receptionist, just observing the high ceiling in the clinic, it can be hundreds of things, but it is just a sense of calm the moment they walk into the clinic. So that's something that is from the patient's perspective. Why do I like it? For various reasons. Getting into this zone from leaving M1, leaving Melbourne and coming into Jindivick itself just calms you down because it's surrounded by greenery everywhere. You can hear the cows in the background, but the most important thing why I like to come here is the team that I work with. Fantastic team when it comes to reception, nursing staff, the other doctors, but the patients. Beautiful patients, they love talking about everything and I like to know about them from a personal perspective because that's where the holistic journey starts. I do not want to treat them as a symptom or a health condition, but them as a person. They're lucky to have exposure to fresh air. That's the biggest benefit they have. Trying to get as much as possible through food, exercise, everything. Having said that, patients are very open to trialing different things. Really nice things which attracts me a lot. No one wants antibiotics, which I love. They try as much as possible to get better by themselves. When someone comes, I know that they have been struggling with something for a few weeks, not few days. But health condition wise, if I say, I'm noticing more and more increase in the diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol. Lots of menopause awareness is coming globally, but then a lot of women around, we are getting lots of consults around menopause and perimenopause, and that's something that is increasing in Jindivick and surrounding areas. After that, pretty much, you look forward to coming here because it is not work. It is more about knowing your patients more and more every time you see them. I have a very, very special place for Jindivick. I probably will work in many other clinics in future, but I will never stop coming to Jindivick.